Yo, what is going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you all how to download the two best free music apps, guys. And the ones we're going to be talking about today are Apple Music and Spotify. Now, I know these actually cost money, but luckily for you guys, in this video, I'm going to show you all how to get the tweaked versions of them. So you're going to be actually able to get the Spotify Premium or the Apple Music subscription for absolutely free. And this is working on both iOS and Android, guys. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end because every single step is important. Also, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Otherwise, this will not work for you guys. But basically, a lot of people make videos on this, like what is the best music apps to like go ahead and download music offline. And the truth is, all of those apps usually suck, guys. There's only two that always work good, and the third one is of YouTube Premium. But in this video, I'm going to show you all how to get Spotify Plus Plus and Apple Music Plus Plus, which is going to give you these subscriptions for absolutely free, so you're not going to have to pay any money at all. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate to you all how the apps work, and then I'm going to show you all exactly how to download it on your iOS or Android device, guys. So let's get right into it. Watch this video until the end, and let's take a look, guys. So the Spotify Plus Plus is actually called Spotify Life. It is a modded version of Spotify Premium. So as you guys can see, I have the setting right here, Spotify Life, and if you guys take a look, this is not in the original Spotify application because this is modded. As you guys can see, better Spotify features. We get all these features for absolutely free, and also we get the account upgrade for absolutely free, which is the subscription on Premium. So yeah, you can't debate this, guys. Spotify and Apple Music are definitely the top two music apps. It's just that they cost money, so a lot of people don't want to like use them because they have to pay. But if you guys watch this video, you're going to see exactly how to get them for absolutely free using this simple installation on your iOS or Android device. But as you can see with Spotify, we can go ahead and listen to unlimited music for absolutely free. They have a huge selection. We can go ahead and skip all this music, download them offline as well, so we can listen without having Wi-Fi on our phone. Now, this is the first one, guys, Spotify Plus Plus. I'm also going to show you all how to download Apple Music Plus Plus if you want to use something different than Spotify. So the way this works is pretty simple as well. You're going to see that it looks exactly like Apple Music as well, but it is Apple Life version 2, so they updated it, guys. It's now working on all iOS versions. No jailbreak required. But if we head over to account, and it's going to say get 3 months for $9.99. You guys will see this as well once you install the application. But as you can see, it has the plus plus up there. And if we go ahead and get 3 months for $9.99, it's going to say get for free. So we don't have to even select any of those options. We just have this right here. And then it's going to go ahead and show us the amount that we have to pay. As you guys can see, it is free, so we don't have to pay anything at all. Confirm. And now in-app purchase complete. And we just got Apple Music for absolutely free on our phone for pretty much ever, guys. So I'm going to show you all exactly in this video how to download these two modded applications so you guys can go ahead and listen to music offline for absolutely free in the background, or if you have no Wi-Fi at all. So let's get right into it, guys. The first step is we just want to make sure the background app refresh is turned on our iOS device. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So what you're going to want to do is open up these settings on your iOS device. If you're on Android, this step is not applicable right now, so don't do this step, I guess, or just skip it. So once we're in settings, guys, scroll down until you find general. And in general, you're going to want to scroll down until you find background app refresh. There it is right there. And just simply make sure it's turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. So here it is, guys. It's going to say Wi-Fi and cellular data. Just make sure that's ticked on. And once you guys have done that, don't exit out of the settings app yet. Type in the search bar here, type in battery. And if you're on Android, you can also do this step. I believe it's called like battery saver or power saver. You're just going to want to make sure that's turned off on your device. Very simple, guys. Just make sure it's ticked off, and also make sure you have at least 10% battery on your phone before we can go ahead and continue with the download process. So once we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and show you all exactly how to get these modded apps so we can go ahead and get free Apple Music or free Spotify Premium. So what you're going to want to do is head over to this website called smmsky.co, guys. I'm going to go ahead and type in that website right now, smmsky.co. And what this is, it is a tweaked app store, guys. So basically, it's like Tutu app or Panda Helper, kind of like that, but basically it's all web-based, so we don't have to download anything onto our phone, all cloud-based, guys. And in this video, I'm going to show you all exactly how to use it. So once you are on smmsky.co, what you're going to want to do is use the search bar here, and all you're going to want to do is just type in, hold on a second, guys, you're going to want to type in Apple Music. So if you want Apple Music, you're going to want to type in Apple Music, right? But if you want the Spotify Premium for free, so the Spotify Plus Plus application, then simply just type in Spotify, and there it is right there, Spotify Plus Plus. So they're essentially the exact same download process, but for this video, I'm going to go ahead and do Spotify Plus Plus. So you simply tap on the app that you want, and then it's going to say start injection, and all you got to do now is just simply tap on that, and now all we got to do is just wait for this to load, guys. So there's like this little bar here that's loading. Wait for this to load all the way until the end, give it like 15 seconds more, and then it's going to take us to the final part of the download. And if you chose Apple Music instead of Spotify, it's the exact same process, so just keep on watching. to see how to finalize the download and get it fully installed on your device. But while we wait for this to load, guys, scroll down and give this video a like, subscribe with all post notifications on, and comment down below anything you want me to read, or if you have any questions, let me know as well. I'll be reading the comments on this video for sure and responding to you guys as soon as I can. But there is one final part to get the app that we chose. So if you want Spotify or Apple Music for free, there is one final step, guys. It's going to go ahead and say, please follow and complete the instructions of the offers below, of the apps below, to finish the injection process. So we're going to see some apps here on the list, and all we got to do is just complete all of them. I know it says 2, but what I find works the best for me when I do these, when I did this injection for the first time, is I actually did all of them. Because when I did 2, it didn't work, and I think it's because I didn't follow the instructions of the apps correctly. So I can't stress this enough, guys. You have to do all the apps, I guess, just to make it work, and you won't have to do this process ever again. So to get started, simply tap on one of the apps, read the instructions of it, and do exactly as the application says. So here we are with CoinMaster. We're going to go ahead and do this application first. And you have to do all the apps. Like I said, I'm not going to do all of them because then the video would be a little bit too long. It would take like probably 5 to 10 minutes to go ahead and do them all. But for you guys, it should literally take like a minute or so for each application. 1 to 2 minutes, I would say, for each app. Just to make sure that you fully follow the instructions of each one. All in all, this should take you like 5 to 10 minutes to do, and you'll have your Apple Music or Spotify Premium for absolutely free. And if you want both of them, guys, that's the beauty of this. You can go ahead and actually get both of them as well. I do that. You know, Spotify has a lot more music than Apple Music, though. But I do think the best one, though, in my opinion, guys, that I didn't talk about in this video is YouTube Premium, because they have a lot more music. And I might make a video on that one in the future as well, if you guys want me to show you all how to get YouTube Premium for absolutely free. But once you guys have done one app, you know, you want to come back here and do another one. So click on it, read the instructions of it, and do exactly as the app says. So here we are, we're running our second application. Very simple to do, guys. And after you've done all the apps on the list, you're pretty much done, and the free music app that you chose will fully install on your device, and now you can go ahead and listen to your music for absolutely free. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Enjoy your free Spotify Premium or Apple Music. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll be reading your comments, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out.